Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add a blank screen to your videos on CapCut PC. Super simple. Here you're just going to split it. You can either just like turn off main track magnet and place a space here so it creates a blank screen. But you can also just go to backgrounds here and add either the black or the white screen. If it's not long enough for you, just freeze frame it and you can adjust the duration from there. Oh, sorry, like that. And that's pretty much it, really. That's how I add a blank screen usually to my videos. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.